Flight prices in 2025 could either skyrocket or drop dramatically. Understanding these changes is crucial for your travel plans. What's happening? And how can you save money on travel? Let's break it down. The aviation industry is facing unprecedented changes. From fluctuating fuel prices to evolving travel demands, several factors will influence ticket costs. Will airlines pass on the savings to you, or will they hike prices to cover rising expenses? Experts predict a mix of both scenarios. Some routes may become cheaper due to increased competition, while others might see a price surge due to limited capacity. To navigate these changes, staying informed and flexible is key. Use price comparison tools, book in advance, and consider alternative airports or travel dates. In this video, we'll explore the factors affecting flight prices in 2025 and provide you with strategies to save money on your next trip. Stay tuned! New airline fuel taxes and carbon regulations are set to impact ticket pricing significantly. Airlines will face higher costs to comply with these new rules, likely passing them on to consumers. Rising fuel costs and increased demand for travel are putting additional pressure on ticket prices. Pilot shortages are also a significant issue, leading to higher operational expenses. More budget airlines are expanding their routes, offering travelers more options and competitive pricing. AI-powered smart booking hacks are making it easier for passengers to find the best deals. Governments are cutting travel restrictions, which is encouraging more people to fly and increasing demand. Advancements in fuel-efficient aircraft are reducing operational costs for airlines, allowing them to pass on savings to customers. Additionally, increased market competition is driving down prices as airlines strive to attract more passengers. All these factors combined could lead to a significant decrease in flight prices by 2025, making air travel more affordable for everyone. Best times to book cheap flights, best airlines for budget travelers, and avoiding price surges when booking. Use flight booking apps to get real-time updates, monitor price trends, and set alerts for the best deals. Flexibility is key. Be open to flying on weekdays or during off-peak hours to snag the lowest fares. Consider alternative airports. Sometimes flying into or out of a nearby airport can save you a significant amount. Sign up for airline newsletters and follow them on social media for exclusive deals and flash sales. Lastly, use loyalty programs and credit card points to reduce costs. Accumulate miles and points for future travel. By following these tips, you can navigate the complexities of booking flights in 2025 and ensure you get the best value for your money. Global events have a profound impact on flight prices. The COVID-19 pandemic caused airlines to reduce schedules, dropping prices. As restrictions lifted, demand surged, and so did prices. Wars and geopolitical tensions disrupt flight prices. Airspace restrictions and increased fuel costs contribute to fluctuating fares. Economic crises also play a significant role. During downturns, fewer people travel, leading to lower prices. Stay informed, be flexible, and have a backup plan. Manage uncertainties when booking flights during turbulent times. Airlines play a crucial role in determining flight prices. Demand forecasting is key. Advanced algorithms predict passenger bookings to set prices. This maximizes revenue while filling seats. Competition impacts prices. Price wars can lower fares, especially with new airlines or peak seasons. Fuel costs are significant. Fluctuations in oil prices impact ticket prices. Loyalty programs offer discounts. Frequent flyers get special deals. Understanding these factors helps you book smarter. Budget airlines are set to play a significant role in the future of aviation. They've revolutionized air travel, making it more accessible and affordable. But what does the future hold for them? Expansion into new markets is a key trend. Increased competition could drive prices down further. Technological advancements will also play a crucial role. Innovations in aircraft design and digital booking can reduce costs. The future of budget airlines looks promising, making air travel even more affordable. Let's dive into practical tips on finding the best flight deals. With a bit of strategy and useful tools, you can save significantly on your next trip. Use comparison websites like Skyscanner, Google Flights, and Kayak. They let you compare prices across multiple airlines. Check flexible date options to save money. Watch for flash sales and special promotions. Set up fare alerts to get notified of price drops. Consider alternative airports for cheaper flights. Follow these tips to secure the best deals for your travels.